Hi, I'm Daisy, and I'm going to be modeling the women's motorcycle jacket for Viking Cycle. So I'll go ahead and start from the outside and then work myself in. The outside is 100% leather, and it's really nice because you have these nice big zippers on the arms, so it makes it nice and easy to go ahead and put on and to remove. That way when you're riding, you have it nice and tight to keep the air out. And you have these nice large buttons as well. They're easy to locate on the jacket. So I'll go ahead and show you the two different looks that you can have once you have it zipped. So once again, the nice large zipper makes it easy to get a hold of. You can go ahead and wear it, have some nice openness in the top for the summer, for your summer riding. But also, if you unbutton the collar, it makes it easier to actually zip all the way up for a nice snug fit for the winter. That way when you're riding, it keeps it nice and tight, keeps the cold air out. So I'll go ahead and show you a little bit more of the outside design here. We have the nice embroidery sides down on the waist, and then also the nice scrunched look to give you a nice fit for your figure. The pockets are also really nice and deep, which is really good. Nice for your hands, good size to keep some things inside. But the best part of this jacket is actually the inside. So we have some really good pockets here. We have a cell phone pocket, nice large fit. Really easy for any size phone in there. And the tags here, really nice with the red stitching, really easy to read. You also have your pockets here for a knife and pen holder. So really nice and tight and snug so it doesn't get in the way. And on this side, we actually have a bigger pocket for your cell phone, wallet, lip gloss or makeup, which is great. Keeps it nice and secure while you're riding. And over here, an additional pocket, which will fit your sunglasses. Keep them nice and safe while you ride as well. And also, just wanted to show you a little bit more of the design. The nice diamond stitching on the inside gives it a nice fashionable look. And it's very nice and padded. Feels great. Feel nice and secure while you're riding. Nice and warm and snug. So I'll go ahead and just zip it up and show you how it looks all the way around. So there it is, the women's motorcycle jacket for Viking Cycle. Thank you for watching.